Mini Egg Millionaire Shortbread, a fantastic Easter recipe for when you're baking those Easter treats. What you're going to need is an 8-inch square baking tin that has been lined and greased. And you're also going to need to pop your oven on to 200 degrees centigrade fan. In a food processor, you're going to put 190 grams of plain flour, 60 grams of caster sugar and 120 grams of cold cubed butter. You're going to blitz it up until it resembles breadcrumbs. Then you want to pop this into your baking tray and push it down, making sure that you concentrate on all the edges and corners. Then pop it in the oven for around about 15 to 20 minutes until the base is golden brown. Now to make your caramel, you're going to need 150 grams of butter, 4 tablespoons of golden syrup, a teaspoon of vanilla and 1 tin of condensed milk, which is 397 grams. Gently stir this for around about 10 to 15 minutes. You are going to have to be patient. Don't move away from the stove because you're going to keep stirring away there so that it doesn't burn. But gradually it will turn the most glorious golden brown colour. Take a bag of mini eggs and give them a quick bashing. Just be careful because otherwise the bag can split and go everywhere. Then take that caramel, put it on the base that you've cooked and just gently coax it out to the edges so that it's all even. Sprinkle the mini eggs all over the top and then just pop it in the fridge whilst we deal with melting the chocolate. Now I'm using a bain-marie method, which is simply a glass bowl over some hot water, making sure that the bottom of that bowl does not touch the water. In goes 300 grams of white chocolate. You could use milk chocolate, and I also add in 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Eventually it all melts down. Pour that white chocolate over the top of the base there. And then you're going to pop in your mini eggs on top. Yes, as if we haven't had enough mini eggs, let's add some more. And because I'm a complete child, let's add some hundreds and thousands as well. Then you're going to pop it in the fridge for either a couple of hours, or I like to pop it in the freezer for around about half an hour to an hour. It really does cool it and set it. Now I'm cutting this into 9 segments today because it's easier for the product photography for you guys to see, but they are rather rich. So what I then tend to do is just cut them again diagonally to make like triangles. But this little piglet could easily eat a whole chunk to herself. And yes, you will need to keep this recipe because you're going to be asked for it throughout the year, not just for Easter. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want the full written recipe, go to my website cookingwithemily.co.uk.